Good morning, fam. If you're looking for a quick and energizing routine to start your day, this quick 5-minute flow will wake up your entire body, will loosen up your muscles, boost your energy, and get you ready to take on the day. Let's hit the mat and get moving. Let's start with downward dog to stretch out the back and legs. Come onto all fours, press your hips toward the sky, and push your heels toward the ground. Feel the stretch through your hamstrings, calves, and lower back. Hold for 1 minute. You can pedal your feet by bending one knee at a time to deepen the stretch in your legs. This move is great for waking up your body and releasing tension from sleep. Now, let's move into a frog squat. Stand with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart and squat down, keeping your heels on the ground. Place your elbows inside your knees, pressing your knees outward. As you inhale, lift your hips slightly, and as you exhale, lower back down. Continue for 1 minute, feeling the stretch in your hips and inner thighs. This dynamic movement is great for opening up the hips and getting the legs warmed up. Next, we're going to stretch out the hamstrings with standing forward fold and toe sweeps. Stand tall, take a deep breath, and as you exhale, fold forward from the hips, reaching for your toes. Now sweep across your feet with both hands. This stretch increases flexibility in your hamstrings and lower back, while also loosening up the spine. Let's stretch the sides of the body with side bends. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart, reaching your right arm up and over to the left, creating a length along your side body. Inhale as you come back to center and then switch sides, reaching your left arm up and over to the right. Alternate sides, breathing deeply and feeling the stretch along your ribs and waist. This move helps improve flexibility in your torso while releasing tension in your lower back. Finally, let's wrap up with bent over elbow drops. Stand tall and hinge forward at the hips, bringing your torso parallel to the floor, and let your upper body hang. Hold your waist with your hands and gently drop your elbows toward the floor, feeling the stretch in your upper back and hamstrings. Hold this position for a few breaths, then slowly roll back up. Repeat for 1 minute. This stretch helps release tension in the back and improves flexibility in the hamstrings, giving you a gentle wake-up stretch for the entire body. Great job, fam. In just 5 minutes, you've energized your body, stretched out your muscles, and set yourself up for an amazing day. This flow is perfect for starting your morning with energy and focus. Save it for whenever you need a quick energy boost. And let's keep moving and feeling good all day. Let's go!